Okay, a lot of y'all are asking, look at these eyebrows. A lot of y'all are terrified that AI is going to replace you, and it's not. First thing, corporate is gaslighting you. You may be seeing all these headlines about companies laying off people. They're straight up gaslighting you. They're using AI as an excuse just to massively lay off people and make more money. What's actually happening is that there's a major AI backlash. People hate AI. Plus, AI is just getting too expensive, and the companies that are actually using AI instead of people are losing money. Not to mention that so many of the AI promises and productivity are simply not true. Now, having said that, I absolutely think it's worth, as a VA, to learn certain LLM tools like Claude, like DeepSeek, like Perplexity, and ChatGPT because this. So my video this week is to assuage your fears. If you are the VA that's terrified that AI is going to replace you so you're not even starting this career, I want you to snap out of it, friend. The reason that some people are not finding clients is not because of AI. It's because they are either struggling to market themselves or they don't really have a niche and they don't know who they're talking to, okay? It's not because of robots. If you are ready to get into this VA career, it is not too saturated, is not too late, and AI is certainly never going to replace your brain, your client relationships, and the way that you perform tasks. By all means, check out my channel for AI tools to help you with the minutia, like Perplexity will help you research faster. Claude will help you brainstorm faster, or make presentations faster, or make an email more concise, but it's not going to take your work away from you, and clients don't want to work with AI. If they wanted to, they would already be using it. Check out my VA Business Blueprint, which is the course that I wish I had when I first started. This is the program that's going to walk you through how to actually land clients. It's going to teach you how to tailor your pitches to people so that when a potential client reads your pitch, they'll be like, oh my God, this VA gets me. I must hire them. Thank you guys for coming to my TED Talk. I will not be taking any further questions.